Oh, that's good, baby. I love your princess shoes too. I think it's the best shoes ever.
What are your best shoes ever?
Yeah. Good morning, guys.
Good morning,
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
We are
Uh,
outside Isla's dancing.
is there a dance?
But we're leaving soon. Puntahan namin si Daddy. So, si Dan yung nag-drop kay Ayla dito sa dancing. And then, ako yung nag-pick up sa kanya kasi
And we see
pinapunta ko siya sa
Daddy
doktor.
Taymor.
I mean, sa clinic para kunin yung blood test
And we
niya.
see Daddy Taymor.
Yeah, we will see Daddy there. I'm waiting for the time because Daddy's still waiting. There's 3 people ahead of him. So, he saw the doctor last week. Tapos, nag-request yung doctor ng blood test. And kapag hindi mo yan siya pinilit ng paulit-ulit na sabi, hindi niya gagawin. Kasi last year, nagpunta na din siya ng doktor para magpa-check up. Yung ano lang guys, like full health check. And binigyan siya ng request to do blood test. Never niyang ginawa, guys. Last year. Ay. So ngayon, buti na lang napilit ko siya kasi sabi niya during the week na lang daw. Sabi ko, hindi. Open yung ano ngayon. Ako kukuha kay Ayla. Ako magdadrop kay Ayla. Sinabi ko ganun. Sabi niya, after na lang mamayang after dancing kasi close pa din naman. So kanina, tinawagan ko siya. Parang napilitan nga lang yun. Kasi sabi ko, ako nang kumuha kay Ayla. Tapos dumiretso ko na dun sa waiting area. Tapos i-meet ka namin dun. Sabi ko, i-meet ka namin dun, puntahan ka namin. Nagpaska na siya kahapon, Friday. Yung chinek yung kidney, yung mga organs. Tapos ngayon yung blood test. Tapos kailangan niya lang i-drop yung stool niya, yung kanyang poo. During the week, madali lang naman yung i-drop niya lang. At least natapos na yung blood test. Tapos pa-reschedule na siya sa kanyang GP. Hapon na guys. Anong oras na? Mga mag-aalas 5 na. No, kaka-4 lang. 4:06. And maya-maya lang magre-ready na kami for family dinner. Kaya lang ipack ko muna tong aking return. So, meron akong Shein haul pala. Insert ko ngayon kasi nung Thursday ko yung blinag. Tapos sobrang haba na ng video nung Thursday. So, i-insert ko siya sa video ngayon. Panoorin nyo muna yung haul natin. Hello! Kami ay uuwi ng Pilipinas, diba? Uwi kami ng June. So, malapit na guys. Uy, papanood niyo itong video na to June na. So, in a couple weeks, uwi kami ng Pinas. So, I placed an order sa Shein ng mga damit ng mga bata kasi kakadeclutter ko ng mga damit ng mga kids. Wala na silang pang summer clothes. Yung mga natira is yung konti na lang kung ano yung kasya sa kanila and konti na lang yun. So, I placed an order para suotin ng kids doon and mga laruan kasi I always bring yung mga laruan na bago sa paningin nila sa plane. So, may mga laruan din ako dito. So, habang masaya yung mga anak ko nandun nanonood ng TV, let's open this! I like shopping from Shein because I can return stuff. Most of the stuff at least, I can return. Ang bilis lang din ng return process nila. Print ko lang yung return label, tapos i-drop ko sa post office. That's it. And Shein has a petite section as well, you guys. Dito na yung isa. This is a set. So, yung mga pinipili ko is yung magkakasya, hopefully, sa aking growing belly. Oh my gosh, it looks big. I don't know. Nag-order ako lagi sa Shein, guys, pero yung nakikip ko, tag-iisa. Agoy, agoy, agoy. Does that make you really happy? Pag nag-order ako sa Shein, hindi talaga lahat nakikip ko kasi it's either masyadong mahaba, and again, their return policy is really good. I-segregate ko muna kung ano yung mga pangbata at kung ano yung pang-akin. I got this one for me as well. I don't think this is maternity.
I can't stop it in my table.
Oh, maybe it is. Actually, maybe it is maternity. Kasi parang meron
Mommy,
siyang
I can't
pouch
stop it in the table.
sa harap.
I can't stop it in the table.
Tapos magsuot ka lang ng polo.
That made me happy.
Polo. That makes you happy? Alright, can you wait, please?
Braces! I want braces.
Yeah?
I want them now.
Just wait, please.
It's my turn.
You can't play with the bracelets because it's got small beads, and Arlo likes putting small beads in
Mom,
his ear.
what is this?
Yeah. And I got this one. Oh, this is for you, baby. This is for Ayla. It's from Shein Basics. How cute is this? Kasi nag-order ako ng parang same nito na kulay.
That's it.
Ayan. Ipatry natin sa'yo, ate, kung kasya sa'yo.
Mama,
See, ang cute niyan. Pang Pinas, pang airport. Ang ganda pa ng kulay, tapos ang ganda ng quality. Ang mura lang din niya.
You want it, mommy?
Oh, I got this one as well. So, another bodysuit.
I got.
Again, itatry ko yan. Nakikita na niya talaga. This is for Arlo. Ang cute. Dino na polo, guys. We'll see kung magkakasya kay Arlo. Susuot niya to sa resort. Pag nag-resort tayo doon.
They're all mine, mommy. Not yours. Mom, have kisses?
Yeah, I got you stickers too, baby. That's how much I love you.
It's for my nails.
Stamps.
It's for my nails, mommy.
Yeah. What's this?
What's this, mommy?
Oh, this is a dress.
Mommy, I transfer my faces to you.
For mama. Oh, thank you, baby.
I transfer socks to you.
So, itry muna natin yan lahat and see kung ikikip natin.
I love them, mommy. Thank you.
Ano to?
Who did this for me?
Ay! Mga sunnies para dyan sa batang yan. A set of 3 na siya, guys. Ang mura lang. I can imagine Isla wearing this sa resort. That.
Wait,
And that.
what's that?
For you
La,
guys.
la, 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 la. Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome.
Ooh, wow.
This is a really nice one as well,
Mommy,
princess.
I don't paint this. I don't paint this
Oh
one.
my gosh, look at this outfit.
For me?
Yes. Try it. Oh my goodness. And, oh, pants? Seriously? Will it fit you? Let me see. Tingnan mo yung details ng pants. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Can you help Arlo skip the ad, please? Parang tingnan ko pa lang, may i-return ako, hindi ko pa nga na-try. Para siyang cover up na top, and then matchy-matchy na shorts.
Open.
So, depende kung magkakasya yung shorts sa ating belly.
Open.
Wait, we can't open this one. It's a stamp. I can't open it. Kunin ko nga itong mga laruan dito.
Mommy.
Yes?
Mommy.
Ano to?
Mommy.
What happened?
Mommy, here.
Ate's helping you. Ate helped you. Go.
Here.
Ay, bumili ako nitong mga to. Ang liit pala nito. Ano to, guys? Dinosaur egg. Na meron siyang lamang dinosaur. Mahilig si Arlo sa mga maliliit eh. So, pag open niya, merong dinosaur dyan na parang squishy. Hello, Arlo. Baka maliit sa'yo, boy. Ang ganda sana nito. Arlo, look! What's this? Dinosaur. Parang maliit, boy.
This is for the puss.
Bumili ako ng strainer na sobrang fine. Perfect for leche flan. Or siyang mesh strainer. You wanna wear this?
Mama.
You wanna take off your... sige, itatry na ni Arlo.
This
Perfect.
is for the Philippines.
Take off jamas. Okay. Oh my gosh, Arlo, you're gonna look really cool.
This is for the Philippines. And this one for home.
Oh my gosh, come here, show mama. Oh my gosh, kasyang-kasya kay Arlo yung una.
This is basic.
Oh my gosh, more for mama. How many clothes did mama
Mama.
order? Another cream and black combination. And then the shorts look like that. It looks really big, so hopefully
Mommy.
it fits mommy's belly. Oh my gosh, guys, look at Alo. Alo, show them. Go, show Alo. Come here, Alo. Look, look. Show the camera. Oh, so guwapo!
Mommy.
So, meron akong ganito na parang
This is this.
cream yung kulay. And ang ganda niya, guys. Ang komportable pa niya. Tapos isang set na siya. Outfit na talaga siya. So, I got it in this color. And stretchy din siya. So, kasya yung belly ko.
Open this for me.
O, diba?
Nakikita niyo pa ba yung mga pinapakita ko ang gulo-gulo ng aking kids?
Alo, so can you behave, please, while mommy do the whole?
No.
Can you sit down? Oh, I really like this, a picture, but I'm not sure
Love
if
it so much.
it will look good on me.
Mommy, I love this
It's
so
a
much.
dress. Ang ganda ng kulay, guys. Something different sa mga pinagpipili ko, diba? But ang ganda ng kulay niya.
You don't get it, Philippines.
We are still going, guys. We're not even halfway.
Open it for me.
Oh my gosh, this is for you, princess. I got you a winter outfit that looks really cute. Oh my gosh, it looks small. Yeah, we're returning. We are returning it for sure. No, it looks small. Maganda sana yung pants kasi flare. But no, the top is too small, baby. Here, try. Is that? Ay, maraming mga laruan dito, guys. Itago ko muna. Oh my gosh, it fits. Oh, that's beautiful. Do you not try and put the pants on? Take off your pants and try that on. That's perfect for winter. Oh, another nice color. For me. Oh, I love this. Ooh, I like the material. Oh, hindi ko mapapakita ng maayos sa inyo. But pants at saka top siya. Na very see-through. Ay, ang ganda nitong kulay na to. Parang kakabili lang natin ng ganito sa Zara. Tingnan nga natin. Ay, ito. Ano siya, guys? Parang polo dress. Oh my gosh, Arlo. I love this color, mate. Oh my gosh. This is a perfect summer outfit, Arlo. That's for Arlo, guys. That's beautiful, yeah. You love it so much. And I got a skirt for mommy's growing belly. That's nice. I think it's too long. We will see. I'll try everything on. And baka yung matira, isa na lang. Oh, I think this is for you again, ate. Oh my gosh, ate. Oh my gosh, how good is that color? That and pants. Okay, you try it. Take off your pants and then try it on. Mga makapal na knit. Perfect for winter. Oh, this is another set na same nung cream ko. I just got it in this. Are you okay? Silly. In this color. Another one for our Arlo boo-boo. Oh, bakit dalawa? Oh, it fits. Take off your top and try this on. No, top, the top. Keep the pants on. Another one for Arlo. Look. Another set. Perfect na perfect one for Arlo.
Mama,
It's okay, ate.
what is this?
Ah, it comes with a hat. Is it a hat?
Yeah.
Let's see. I don't think Arlo will wear the hat. Oh, mate! Oh my gosh! He hates it. It will look really good on your outfit. You want to take this off? You want to try the other one on?
Yeah, try on.
Try it on? Yeah, sige. I-try natin yung maliit bake kami. Here. Yeah, Alo, try this on. You see? T-Rex. See? T-Rex. Try on T-Rex. Come on, take this off. We're definitely bringing this. This will fit you. Yes. Alo, this is for 2 to 3 years old.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I think it's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Mama!
Ah, it fits?
Yeah. Mama,
Here.
Mama, it
O,
fits
diba?
my
Mas
neck.
okay mag-online shopping
Mom,
kaysa
it's
sa
my neck.
shops tayo nagkakagulo. Oh my gosh, fits you perfectly, Alo. I love it. Ang ganda sa kanya. Sobrang ganda sa kanya. Let me just check this properly, baby. Is it the right way? Here, stand up, stand up. Okay. Huh?
A tag is in the back.
The tag is at the back. Does it fit you properly? Alright, let's keep going. I think we're almost done. Oh my gosh.
This is
I
that.
think this is another really good outfit for Arlo.
Mommy.
Everything fits Arlo so far. Ay, ang ganda ng
Mommy.
kulay. Ito yung top. Ito yung shorts. This is yours, baby. Beautiful color.
No. Yeah, this was color. Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy, Papa.
Ayla!
Huh?
Shorts. And a beautiful floral top for the swimming pool. Yeah. Will this fit you though? Or is it too big? Take off your top.
Mommy.
You have to take it off so you know if it fits. You need to try this stuff, baby, because I'm not keeping stuff that doesn't fit you.
Why?
Because I don't want to waste money. Oh, that's beautiful, baby. It is for you. Look at that. And the details. And the shorts. It is so cute, babe. We need to try these on. Puro mga pambata na ata to, guys. Yes. Oh, I love this color. I love. Very 2000s. Oh, seriously? A skirt and a top like that?
Mama, I can't finish it too.
This will look gorgeous on you, princess. Seriously.
What's hot?
I know it is a love heart. You're gonna look beautiful in this one.
Wow.
Yeah, you're welcome, princess.
This one on first.
Yeah. Oh, winter outfit for ate again. Oh my gosh, lucky girl. Dinamihan ko kasi hindi ko sure yung size. Pero parang super kasya sa kanya lahat. Oh, a nice one!
No,
You can wear this tomorrow, babe, sa family dinner natin.
mommy. I don't get dinner, Mario.
Yeah, we have, oh, that's beautiful. I love
Something for
that.
dinner.
Nana,
Mama.
Auntie Ans.
Mommy.
Yes?
Mama, hold the present for me.
She got a present for you from her
Yeah, for the
holiday.
holiday.
Oh, wow. I got this as well para sa lunchbox ni Ayla.
What is that? What is that?
And yung mga natira, guys, is yung mga laruan na ayoko na ilabas. Ang gulo, di ba?
My sauce.
That's for Ate Ayla's sauce.
Yes, yeah.
Alright, here. Oh my gosh, baby, your color. I love your color, baby. You have the most beautiful color. And this is gonna go to baby as well.
Why, mommy?
When it gets too small on you, baby can keep it.
Why, baby?
Oh my gosh.
It's really like this.
Aww, that's beautiful, Ayla. I love that. That is beautiful. Show the guys. Aww. I love that, babe. That's a perfect resort outfit. Alright, next one. Let's try next one on. Oh my gosh, guys. Ah, too big, ate. No, we can't keep this one.
Mommy, when I told
Yeah, when you're taller.
Mommy, Mommy,
Oh, so good. I love this color.
rainbow.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, babe. This color looks beautiful on you.
It's having home.
Yeah, so this fits. I love this one. This is so good. Alright guys, so sa kay Ayla, meron tayong dalawang i-return.
It's not for bed.
Tapos kay Arlo, isa. So itong lahat ng to kasya kay Arlo. And then yung lahat ng yan kasya kay Ayla.
No.
So yung i-return natin so far is ito. Yung ganda sana ng kakulayan, kaya lang malaki siya kay Arlo. Buti tinry ni Arlo. And yung knitted na heart, hindi din ganun kaganda yung fit ng pants kay Ayla. And then ito, yung top niya, masyadong maluwag. So ito yung set na meron akong cream. And ang ganda niya guys, kasi hindi ito maternity but kasyang-kasya yung belly ko. Tapos hindi siya parang naiipit. Na-try ko na yung green, kaya lang hindi bagay sa akin yung green. Ang problema lang dito, parang mas malaki siya compared sa meron na ako. Yung cream kasi hindi siya ganito ka-baggy, hindi siya ganito kalaki. Pag wala na akong belly, ang laki ng top. That is at 40, guys. So, I'm not sure. Pag-isipan ko muna. Feeling ko, ewan ko. Is it cute, Ayla? I'm not sure. It's a romper pala. Parang cutie-cutie din pang buntis na outfit. Kaya lang kailangan plansyahin.
Hello.
Ang cute. Ang komportable niya lang. As in. Tapos it's got a lot of room for my belly. Ang cute din ito. Lahat na lang do. Ganito yung print, ganito yung kulay ng mga ganito kong papolo. Nakapack na kasi i-return ko lahat except for one. Isa lang yung ikikip ko guys, yung romper na nakita nyo. Yun lang. Hindi ko na pinakita yung mga try-on guys kasi ang lalaki. Ito lang yung ikikip ko. Ang ganda sana ng blue. Kaya lang malaki siya. So itong mga to, ilagay ko lang to sa same bag na pinaglagyan sa kanya. Tapos ipaprint ko kay Dan yung return label. Tapos drop lang sa post office guys. Tapos as soon as ma-receive nila, i-refund nila sa akin yung pera ko. Kasi ang hirap na mag-try sa shops. Ang hirap kapag may bata, hindi ka maka-shopping ng maayos. So, yun yung ating haul. Ang dami, diba? Ang dami kong i-return.
Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hey, Mom, it's my space.
Oh. That's your space there.
Mom, where about you done my hair?
I will fix your hair. Just 1 minute. I'm just looking
Oh,
for
this
my
was for hair.
BB cream. Asan yung BB cream ko, babe?
Mom, baby whip.
Asan na yun?
Baby whip.
BB.
Baby.
BB.
Baby. Who
Kaya
is
lang gamitin
baby?
natin.
Who is baby?
Hmm?
Who is baby?
BB.
I want to put that on.
No, not that one. This is for adults.
Why you put that on?
For mama only.
Why you put that on, mommy?
Kami na talaga ang magja-Japanese unlimited food. Eat all you can Japanese food. Diba? Pinag-Japanese talaga ang buntit. Maglalaway tayo sa mga sushi dun.
Hello, guys. You're me or you?
Alright, here.
What are you doing? My hair.
I'm fixing it.
You have some clothes on, man?
Beautiful. You put sunscreen on it, didn't you, babe?
Maybe. That's not right.
Alright, you want me to put the flower there?
Like this.
Okay, you're doing it right. Beautiful.
I want it like that.
Yeah.
I put my new perfume too.
You have a new perfume.
Yeah. Ta-da! I have new perfume.
Yes. Oh my goodness! Look at my Arlo guapo boy! So guapo! You wanna jump?
I stand up by myself. Mom, stand up by myself.
Okay.
What's this? A big
Beautiful! Yung suot ni Ayla yung nabili ko sa Shein. Cute, diba? Full fit. Ayla's fit is beautiful. I love your outfit, ate. I'm just wearing my Zara
Are
flats.
the kids' jackets in your car?
Let's
as well?
go. Joggers?
Jackets.
Jackets, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That was TikTok, the one that you showed me.
I'm 12 years old. I'm decorating my laptop.
Look at what he got.
It's got a Port Power sticker and a Jordan sticker.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh, iba din talaga ang trip nito taong to. May package na naman kami. Bahay na ka pala kami, guys. What's this? Aw, thanks for your order. Just like a good old printout, my love. These are all empty? Oh my gosh, you got it from 2 different people? So what? You got 1 sticker from 1 person. You had to pay shipping for it?
It's included.
It's included? How much did you pay for this? That's all you want? Can I throw it now or do you want to keep his letter? Can I throw it now?
Mommy,
Just the food.
you got the same. Mommy,
What?
you got the same.
Bag?
The same bag.
Same bag? What do you mean?
Same bag.
As who? Auntie Dip?
Yeah.
No, her bag is really nice. She's got a Chanel bag.
That's a 10.
I'm so busog. Are you busog, ate? Kids kids under 3 were free. 3 and under.
Oh, and then I got a car in my car. We got 1 free. We can go a game for free.
What do you mean?
Like there was, after like a certain amount of time, they gave you like a free. Since there was like 8 of us or 12 of us.
Okay.
So we can go a game.
back?
Yeah,
You and me?
Yeah, and bring the kids up free. And then just pay for.
Why you
Alright. So just 1 person free.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Let's go back.
They say that.
What do you mean? What did he say? Oh, we can go back there.
I think it's free.
Where?
We got 1 person free.
Why?
Huh? Because we spent a lot of money there.
Why?
Because there's a lot of us.
Why?
There's no ending wise, is there? I think I'm gonna say goodnight, guys.
Mom, it. Here's this and happy.
This. You are so clever.
Maria.
It's the same sound? It is the same sound, you smart.
Mommy, Daddy did this. TV doing it, TV doing it.
Keep doing it, keep doing it. Smarty pants!
Daddy did doing it.
Okay, I'm tired now. You're so pretty, baby. Did you do some TikTok dance with Maddie? Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Say good night.
You have to do this.